Welcome to Jili Ibda American School. Today our lesson about how to convert the metric units of length. Lesson 4, topic 13. Now look at this video and concentrate.
This problem is key because students use what they know about multiplying and dividing with powers of 10 to convert among metric units of length and complete the table. Listen and look for students who convert from kilometers to meters by dividing by 1,000 or 10 cubed, and convert from meters to kilometers by multiplying by 1,000 or 10 cubed. These students have chosen the correct power of 10 to make the conversions, but they have not used the correct operations. Ask these students to identify a kilometer and then a meter as the larger or smaller of the two units. Then talk about whether the number of kilometers or the number of meters that describe the same length will be the lesser or greater number of units. Finally, help them identify multiplying as the way to change from larger units to smaller units so that the number of units will increase, and dividing to change from smaller units to larger units so that the number of units will decrease. These students are now ready to revise their work to complete the table. Listen and look for other students who correctly multiply by 1,000, or 10 cubed, to convert from kilometers to meters, and divide by 1,000 to convert from meters to kilometers. These students show an understanding of how to use multiplication and division to convert among metric units of length.
Okay, here look. We want to convert from kilometer to meter, so we must multiply by 1,000. When we multiply 1 by 1,000, so the answer is 1,000. Okay, now we want to convert from 0.1 kilometer to meter, so multiply by 1,000. When we multiply by 1,000, we move the decimal point 3 places. There is first one, so there is no decimal point. Then put 2 zeros, the answer it will be 100. And if I wanted to convert 500 meter to kilometer, so we must divide it by 1,000 or 10 power 3. Divided by 1,000, it means we move the decimal places towards left 3 places, just 1, 2, and 3. So the decimal places will be here. So the answer is 0.5.
This understanding will help them in later lessons as they convert among metric units of capacity and mass.
Now we watch another video for more understanding. Please listen and look carefully.
How do you convert metric units of length? Think about this question during the lesson. The most commonly used metric units of length are the kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. Every metric unit is 10 times as great as the next smaller unit. Which is the smaller metric unit of length? The centimeter or the millimeter? Explain. The millimeter is smaller. 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters, and 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So there are more millimeters in a meter. The distance between two towns is 3 kilometers. How many meters apart are they? To change from larger units to smaller units, do you multiply or divide?
Select your answer.
To change from larger units to smaller units, multiply. How does deciding whether you are changing to larger or smaller units help you recognize whether you should multiply or divide to change measurements? No matter what units are involved, multiply to change a larger unit to a smaller unit, and divide to change a smaller unit to a larger one. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Find 3 times 10 to the third power. So the towns are 3,000 meters apart. The distance between a kitchen and living room is 1,200 centimeters. How many meters apart are they?
Okay, to find the answer, we convert it from centimeter to meter. So we convert it from a smaller unit to a greater unit. So we divide it. Ask yourself, how many centimeter in 1 meter? Yes, 100. So when we divide centimeter to meter, we divide it by 100. When we divide it by 100, the answer is?
To change from smaller units to larger units, divide. Find 1,200 divided by 10 to the second power. So the kitchen and the living room are 12 meters apart. Now you know how to convert metric units of length.
Great job.
Now we move to the practical part. Okay, goodbye and see you. Hi guys, now open your book, page 659. Okay, today about the custom units, the metric units of length. Remember that 1 kilometer equal 1 centimeter, 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter, 1 meter equal 1000 millimeter, and 1 kilometer equal 100,000 centimeter. Okay. Question number 9, 7.5 centimeter equal how many millimeter? Centimeter, 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. So to convert it from centimeter to millimeter, we multiply by 10. Now multiply by 10, move decimal point just one place towards right. The answer it will be 75. 6 meter equal how many centimeter? 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. To convert it from meter to centimeter, we multiply by 100. So put 2 zeros, it will be 600. Number 11, 0.8 kilometer convert to centimeter. 1 kilometer equal 100,000 centimeter. So to convert, multiply by 100,000. Okay, move the decimal place 5 decimal unit 5 decimal point 5 places 1, then put 4 zeros, it will be 80,000. Number 12, 17,000 meter equal how many kilometer? Look, 1 kilometer equal 1,000 meter. So we divide it from smaller to greater, so we must divide it by 1,000. Now divided by 1,000, remove 3 zeros, the answer it will be 17. Number 13, 48,000 millimeter to meter. 1 meter equal 1,000 millimeter. So we convert it from smaller to greater. We divide it by 1,000. Remove 3 zeros. The answer it will be 48. Okay. Number 15, both bigger than, smaller than, or equal. To compare between two units, they must have the same unit. Okay. Now we have centimeter and meter. Convert it from meter to centimeter by multiplying 100, because 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 30 it will be 3,000, which is greater 3,000 or 25,000. Yes, 25,000. The same one, 3.6 kilometer and meter. Okay, convert from kilometer to meter, or vice versa from meter to kilometer. We can convert from meter to kilometer by divided by 1,000. So divided by 1,000, we move the decimal toward the left. Put decimal at first and move it toward the left 3 places. 1, 2, 3. It will be 3.6 kilometer. So they are equal. The last one, table number 22, meter and centimeter. To convert from meter to centimeter, from greater to smaller, we multiply by 100, and from centimeter to kilometer divided by 100. Now we want to convert the centimeter to meter, so we divide it by 100. When we divided 5,000 by 100, remove 2 zeros, it will be 50. And when we convert 5 meter to centimeter, multiply 100. 5 times 100, 500. And 0.5 times 100 equal, we move decimal toward the right 2 places. This is 1 place, then put 0, it will be 50. Thank you and